I get so passionate when I'm talking about these things and trying to come up with the correct terms. I am not a doctor, but I have went over a lot of this stuff within the past 5 years, and there's a lot of technical terms that I don't keep track of. I kind of pick out the important parts of my research, and I kind of go from there because I don't want to overwhelm my brain with too many words. And besides, it's people like me who don't know all the technical terms. I'm just trying to get, the word out there about some of these things. So I found this picture today, and I just wanted to read it because it says a lot of what I've been trying to say about giving your body a chance to fight, giving your body a fighting chance. So I'm going to go ahead and read this. The picture is how your body rebuilds itself in less than 365 days. Fact: your entire body totally rebuilds itself in less than 2 years, and 98% in less than 365 days. Every cell in your body eventually dies and is replaced by new cells. Every day, a new opportunity to rebuild a new body. And then it goes to the liver. Your liver rebuilds itself in 6 weeks. Your body rebuilds a whole new skeleton in 3 months. Your brain rebuilds itself in 1 year. Your DNA renews itself every 2 months. Stomach lining. The lining in your stomach rebuilds itself in 5 days. Your skin rebuilds itself in 1 year. Your blood rebuilds itself in 4 months. So anything that you are fighting, that we are fighting, we can rebuild it through our immune system, and this will help rebuild the rest of our body. So everything starts in the immune system. The more people can understand that and learn that, then I think the healthier people will be. And that's what my fight is for. I don't really, have to know every technical term or be a doctor, but just to help other people who aren't doctors, just like me, understand that, our bodies can fight for us, and we don't have to depend on people to tell us what to do with our body. We can go out and do our own research and try to come up with what suits our body best. And I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you for listening.